Good morning students. Today I am going to start with the bridge course of Social Science class 7, that is Advent of the Europeans to India. So let's begin now. Introduction. On 17th May 1498, Vasco da Gama reached Calicut by discovering a new sea route to India. This enabled the Europeans to come to India. This sea route helped the Portuguese, Dutch, French, and British to arrive in India for trade. Competencies. First one, understand early activities of the Europeans in India. Second, understand the conflict that emerged between Europeans and Indians. Next, get acquainted with the European companies that came to India. Fourth, understand the condition that enabled the British to settle down in India. Fifth, to locate European trade settlement on the map of India. Let's see the Portuguese now. The Portuguese from 1498 to 1961 CE. On 17th May 1498, Vasco da Gama reached Calicut in Kerala, thereby discovered a new sea route to India. So on 17th May 1489, Vasco da Gama reached Calicut in Kerala. Through this sea route, the Portuguese were the first among Europeans to reach India. They gained trade monopoly with Eastern countries, building colonial empire. Propagation of Christianity were their main aims. See about the Dutch now. The Dutch from 1596 to 1792 CE. After the Portuguese, Dutch from the Netherlands arrived in India. In 1602 CE, Dutch East India Company was established. This company obtained monopoly to trade with countries in the East. It also came equipped with the mandated to wage battles or interpeace treaties with the local rulers. Pulicat became the capital of the Dutch. Who became the capital of the Dutch? It's Pulicat. Next, let's see about the English from 1600 to 1947 CE. In the beginning, English followed peaceful trade as their policy, but they took advantage of the deteriorating political situation in India to establish their political supremacy. The merchants of England who aspired to have trade with the Eastern found the East India Company in 1600 CE. They established trade links with India with the permission of Queen Elizabeth. Gradually, the profit of the East India Company increased notably. They obtained permission, that is Dastakat, to trade without any tax in the Bengal provision, the present Bengal, Bihar and Odisha, and in Agra from the Mughal Emperor Farrukh Sihar. These measures enabled the British to gain more strength. Next, let's see about the French trade centers. They opened their trade centers at Pondicherry, Machilipatnam, Calicut, Mahe, Karaikal, and Chandranagar. Pondicherry was the capital of the French. Now, let us discuss some question answers. Who were the first European to reach India for trade? And the answer is Portuguese. Second one, who discovered the sea route to India? The answer is Vasco da Gama. Third one, name the capital of the Dutch in India. The answer is Pulicat. Fourth one, when was the British East India Company established? The answer is 1600 CE. Next, name the trade centers of the French. The answer is Pondicherry, Machilipatnam, Calicut, Mahe, Karikal and Chandranagar. Next, who was the Mughal emperor who granted Dastak to the British? The answer is Farooq Sia. Children, hereby I'll wind up today's class. Let's continue in the next class.